it's more documents are needed. I respect that, but
Maybe.
but are there Polish researchers saying that they believe that basically when they were looking for perpetrators of the Holocaust, many got away, including maybe Hitler?
Yeah.
It's an extravagant idea.
Oh, come on, but Hitler was a short man with brown eyes and brown hair, and he managed to convince everyone that the perfect race is blue eyes with blonde hairs.
So you're saying that he has potentially, they're saying that he might have been wearing disguises for the next decades, blending into Austrian society, German society, Polish society, Italian society, forgetting about all of his prejudices and just...
Maybe. It's,
No, I'm just saying it's extravagant, That's all.